The trees don't rush. They grow in grace. Each ring a mark, each leaf a face. They teach us how to rise and bend, to start again and never end. The river flows through rock and sand, not asking much, just making land. Its quiet power carves the way, a lesson born from every day. The mountain waits through storm and sun, unmoved by doubt, by anyone. Its strength is silence, firm and true, a call to climb, a view to view. The flowers bloom, then fade with time, yet in their fall, there's still a rhyme. They show us beauty in the brief, a season's gift, a gentle leaf. So let the earth remind your soul, you're part of something vast and whole. Grow like the trees, flow like the stream. Your life is rooted in a dream.